Hello everybody, this is Coach Julio, and I want to share with you why the No Kings Rally reminds me of poll working and that volunteerism is patriotism. Now, for the past 2 years, I've served as a volunteer poll worker, an experience that given me a front row seat to the heart of American civic life and a chance to learn about our community beyond the noise of social media and news. Let's name what's often left unsaid. Division is now a profitable system. It's driven by social media influencers and even elected leaders who benefit from propaganda and hate. This isn't accidental, it's engineered. But this system can be countered by regular citizens like you and me through the simple act of volunteering and supporting nonprofits. During each experience as a poll worker, I learned something new from fellow volunteers with varied experience, not just about the democratic process, but about them. My fellow volunteers included students, retirees, lifelong voters, and newly naturalized citizens, Americans from all walks of life. We all set aside our differences to uphold the integrity of the vote, and of course, we don't ask who someone voted for. We work together and help our community cast their ballot. That's bridge building in real time. Now, displaying a flag is proud and a meaningful act. But patriotism isn't a competition. It's not about who waves the biggest flag or cheers the loudest or traces their roots back the farthest. True patriotism is active. It's showing up. I saw that same truth reflected at the No Kings Rally. It was my first time. The crowd was a living mosaic, people of every age, gender, economic standing, and background. I stood shoulder to shoulder with folks whose views on policy and politics fundamentally differed from mine. That difference was the point. We were united not by ideology, but by a shared constitutional demand to oppose any movement that consolidates power or infringes on right. That kind of protective, peaceful civic engagement, a patriotic and unifying force for which our military gave the ultimate sacrifice, has shaped our history from the civil rights movement till today. It's incumbent upon us not to forget its power. Both the rally and the polling place remind me our country is defined by necessary involvement of its people, which means getting comfortable with uncomfortable conversations that can happen through community events, volunteering, or even a smile. I'd like to take this opportunity to bring public attention to the fact that poll workers are urgently needed, not just in my community, but across the country. Volunteering as a poll worker is one of the most direct ways to protect our electoral process, ensure fairness for every voter, and reflect the best of your community. But service takes many forms. If your schedule or physical ability prevents hands-on work, like volunteering at a local nonprofit, food pantry, or animal rescue, you can still contribute. Never underestimate the power of support that isn't physical. Donating, sharing a cause's mission, or simply amplifying their needs and services. You never know who might need them. Lastly, and I know this firsthand as a fitness coach, the younger generation is watching. Every action you take becomes a lesson in civic responsibility, a model of what it means to show up for your community. You're leading by example. That leadership echoes far beyond the moment. Now, if you want to experience the true cross-section of America and help keep the system running, engage however you can. Volunteerism is patriotism. It's how we protect the vote, build community, and prove that unity is always stronger than division. And no matter what, register to vote. It remains our most vital and powerful tool. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Now, please feel free to share and comment with your personal experience of service and bridge building. We are always stronger together. Thank you.